So the morning begins, and I started my morning like a typical Indonesian. Let me show you. Went to get some coffee. This one is from Point Cafe in Indomart, hazelnut. And then I've got this bad boy here for 18,000. Bubur ayam. Yeah, so 18,000 rupiah, and you get a solid 2 sticks of eggs. You get chicken, you get rice, you get kacang, you get sambal. Hope it tastes good. So today's plan is to head to the hotel that I booked down south, about 60 kilometers south from here, and drop my bag off, and then I'll explore the surroundings, because it's quite annoying exploring with a backpack. So I'll get on with my breakfast, and then I shall see you already in the new hotel. Okay, I just made it to my hotel, so I'll show you what it's all about. This one's 150, and I have a fan in the room. But this is the toilet, classic Indonesian toilet. So you got the water, you got the toilet. Very simple, but that's all you need. Ah yes, makasih. And the guy even brought my bike over. So this is the bed back here. Got the bed, table, you got the fan. So air conditioned room was, I think, 100,000 extra. So I didn't book it, but I'll show you the pool. Let's go see. I don't think there's many people staying here right now, but we got a huge pool. And I'm right across from the ocean, so I'll show you quickly. Right there is the ocean. So halfway here something happened with my bike. Yesterday I was complaining that the mirror is missing, it's pulling to one side. It only goes up to 60 km an hour, and suddenly halfway into coming here something changed. I think I put Perta Max inside, and suddenly it started making different noises, and now it goes up to like 90, 95 pretty quickly. So happy with this thing now. Definitely makes it much easier if the roads are clear and you're only doing 60. It takes 1.5 times longer to get somewhere. So that's all I wanted to say about the bike. So it turns out each accommodation here has their own beach along the ocean side. So I'm come to check out the beach right across mine, and everyone's chilling out here. So let's check out the ocean, maybe see that Krakatoa volcano as well. Not sure if that's Krakatoa there or not. Hello guys. Boys just came from a swim, I think. So I see 2 volcanoes, possibly, or 2 islands. I don't know if one of these is Krakatoa or not. one over there. And then one over there. Alright, let's walk around a little bit more. So they have these seating areas on the beach. And I don't think you need to pay for these. You can just chill. There's a lot of these if you're driving along the coast. Especially when you're close to the ocean. The whole ocean side is full of these seating areas. Let's check out this way a little bit. Behind me is a typical Indonesian accommodation. Apparently people are smaller on this side of the island. You can fit 10 in there. I am in Tanjung Lesang, and this is actually called Carita Beach. So this is a beach club on the southwestern coast of Java. And I was surprised that there's actually an entrance gate and security guards everywhere and 30,000 to get in. So let's check out this beach club. Lalasa. Did I say Larissa? Lalasa. So apparently there's restaurants here, there's water sports and so on. All the activities you can do. Even quad bikes I see. Let's check out the beach first. I got a couple of maps by the guy who's taking care of all this place. But behind me there's an activity center. So renting bikes, quad bikes, water sports and so on. Got plastic bottles in the top 450 years. And this white, what do you call it, styrofoam forever. Interesting. But let's check out the restaurant. Looks like I'm the only customer here. Everyone started working suddenly. But they have a food selection. I got my favorite ayam bakar, then a little bit nasi, spring rolls and mango juice. So while we wait, let's check out the maps or the paperwork the guy gave me. Alright, so they have different packages here in Tanjung Padang. I'll just show you. As well. And then the other paperwork I got. Sorry, I have to be ducking down because I don't have any place to put the camera. But Krakatau is 9.5 juta, and the national park Ujung Kulon 10.75. 8 people. This is all what they offer here. And there's actually hotels here as well. Snorkeling 100,000. Jet ski 400. Yeah, so this is a beach club, but I asked the server and he said it's low season right now here. So that's why there's no people. But I shall makan here and then will be on my way to the accommodation I booked. Alright, food is done and the sun is out, which means I have about a 2-hour drive to my accommodation, so I will be heading there right away. So one more thing, they have this weird combination of Indonesian and container living, Indonesian roofs with shipping containers where you can stay for the night, but I think it's gonna be panas banget sih, because of how hot it gets inside. Who knows, maybe they have air conditioning. But yeah, that's one pretty cool and neat thing in this area. Alright, I shall see you later. Now I'm convinced that the Indonesians probably have the best eyesight in the world. I'm just driving to my new destination, and like I'm maybe 1 kilometer away, they already see me. Or sometimes I'm driving through an empty village and I hear somewhere, Mister, Mister! I can't even see them. Or they might be walking away from me, and then as soon as I'm almost next to them, they turn around. Like they have a sixth sense or something. Pretty funny to see. I've been laughing a little bit. But look at this behind me. What is it this?
What is it this?
That's cheese.
What is it this?
That's cheese.
So you've been to Bali. Look at how I'm holding the microphone like I'm doing a news report, but I can't be bothered putting it on top of the camera right now. Look at this cool bridge I found for the locals. So I'm about 20 minutes away from my accommodation, and the roads are absolute crap. So I decided to take a little break. Wow, this bridge is swaying. Whoop whoop. Little river underneath. You can hear some kids playing. But yeah, these locals were taking a motorbike across this one as well. Looks pretty neat. Park my bike over there. Hands are a little bit rattled because of the roads are not smooth at all, but I'll deal with it. Look at how much tire I have left. Nothing. Back one's a little bit better.